In this video, I am talking all about wave.video, an amazing online video editor. So let's get into it. Wave.video is really awesome because this is an online video editor. This means regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can edit a video. So let me jump into the homepage of wave.video and show you what they have to offer. Okay, so this is the home screen of wave.video, and as you can see there are multiple options like my videos, account, subscriptions, and here as you can see new folder, upload. So that's create video. So also in create video there are upload, templates, blank video, AI generated videos, blog post to videos. So as of now I'll select the blank video, and once you select the blank video I'll select the horizontal video format. There are different format also. Okay, so this is the main timeline of the video. So as you can see on the left hand side you have options for stocks, templates, resize, audio, and on the main screen you have like you can choose from library, you can upload media, you can pick up background. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select few stock photos or maybe stock videos. Okay, I'll select the travel one, and I'll show you a demo how you can edit video using this wave.video. So I'll just select this clip. So this clip has been added. I'll add a few more clips to the main screen. Okay, so I've added one more clip. I'll just try to add one more clip. Okay, so the clip has been added. So there are three stock videos here as you can see. So also you can add, you upload your custom videos here, whether you want to upload custom video or custom images, you can also add here. Okay, so this is the main timeline, and on the left as you can see you can change the layout of the video. So that's the option you have. Also you can add few text on the video. So this is the text format video. So from here you can select different text format and add it on your video. So as you can see, so text has been added to the video. You can also change the position of the text, you can adjust it here and there. Also you can adjust the font, you can edit the text. So whether you want to delete particular format, you can just delete that. As you can see you can uppercase, lowercase. Also you can change the color, format, also the text effects, so that you can adjust it from here. So I'll just try a different format. You can change the alignment, you can adjust the effects of the text. So as you can see there are different effects you can choose from. That's a zoom in effect. Also you can adjust the background style. That's classic box, you can adjust it. Also if you want to delete a particular text, you just have to click on delete and that text will be deleted. So I'll again delete. So I've just kept one text here. Also you can just drag it and drop it like till what timing you want that text to be there. You can also copy the text and directly paste it. You just have to click on copy, paste. I've deleted the text now. So there is an option for transition effect also. So once you see here, you'll be able to see different transition effects between the video clips. So it's very simple to add transition. You just have to click between the clips and there is a small icon there. So there you will be able to see the transition effect. So also on the end of the video near, okay, so there is sign up text there, you can adjust this. So I'll just add a video sorry, I'll just add a audio here. So as you can see, I'm just adding a audio, but the length of the audio is more than the video. So what I'll do, I'll just trim it. I'll just take the pointer here and I'll just click on cut, and I'll just delete the rest of the part of the audio. Once you select cut it, and you delete the rest part of the audio, as you can see, it's been adjusted. Also, you can cut the video, you can add transition effect between the video. So that's the transition effect. You can adjust it according to your need. Also, you can adjust the duration of the transition. So whether you want 2 seconds or 0.5 seconds or 1 second, you can adjust that. Also, there is a watermarks option. So if you want to add, you can add watermark to your video. Then you can add your voiceover. You can insert text to speech. So that option is also available if you're making listicle type of videos. So that's text to speech option here. You just have to enter the text there and you have to generate voice.
Hello.
So the voice has been generated. You can use the text to speech, AI text to speech. So there are different languages which you can use for. Also, you can add your own voiceover, or you can upload your voiceover file directly from here. There is also auto text to speech. So I'll delete the voiceover. Okay, so once everything is done, you just have to click on export, and you have to just click on video. So there you go guys, wave.video is a really awesome and powerful online video editor, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to edit video content online. So if you are interested in wave.video, check the link in the description below. So that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.